it going? My name's Alex from Trident Crypto Asset Management, and today we're going to take a look at how to download and install a MetaMask wallet, as well as setting up and storing your seed phrase for further use. Now, before we get started, you're going to want to make sure to make your way over to the Discord server that has this secure account password log in it. And you're going to want to make sure to download this for when it comes to recording our seed phrase. Print this out beforehand so that you can write it down in pen and keep it in a secure, safe spot. This is essentially your login info and password for the MetaMask wallet. Now, once we have that downloaded and printed off, we can go ahead and pull up the MetaMask website, and you're going to want to get the official metamask.io link. It's going to be the first one up here at the top. Next, we're going to want to hit download, and this is going to be for Chrome browser. That's going to bring us over to the Chrome web store where we can officially add the plugin, and we can hit add extension to add MetaMask to our browser. We can see it brings us to this welcome to MetaMask page right here where we can hit get started. Now at this point, if you are setting up a brand new wallet and have never made one before, we're going to want to hit this yes, let's get set up, create a new wallet button. And we can choose to either opt in or out of helping MetaMask improve their system by sending data. We'll just hit agree. Go ahead and put in a password. Make sure that this is a secure password, something that is not easy to guess, and you can write that down on that password log. This is going to be how we get in and out of MetaMask. Next, it has a video talking about the secret seed phrase. This is essentially your backup password and how you get into MetaMask. What we can do now is hit click here to review the secret words. This is something you're never going to want to share with anyone. You're not going to want to take a screenshot of this and save it in a digital format. That's why we have that secure account password log where you can print that out and then write this down. I personally save all these in a fireproof safe. You can get them at Walmart fairly cheap, but security is of the utmost importance. Now, I know here I always say don't show this to anyone, and obviously I'm going to show it to you guys for sake of this video, but this wallet is going to be destroyed right afterwards and never to be used. So we can click here and we see we get a string of words. This is our seed phrase, essentially that backup password. Now, the order that these words are placed in is very important. It's just like a normal password. So write this down in the order that it is written. Don't copy it and paste it to a Word document. It's best just to write it down straight from here for the most secure practices. It's now going to ask us to confirm that secret recovery phrase, and this is where that order comes of importance. Because we wrote it down, we know the exact order that these words need to be placed in, and that's going to act as our password. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And once we got that done, we can hit confirm. With that being said, we've officially set up our MetaMask wallet. For now, we can just ignore all this technical jargon and hit the X at the corner of the screen. We can see that we now have our account number 1 with our Ethereum address. Clicking this circle up at the top can bring up our settings where we can create more accounts or new wallets or import additional old MetaMask accounts. By clicking these 3 buttons in the corner of Brave browser and heading down to extensions, we can see this MetaMask and enable it or disable it. And what that will do is place or remove the MetaMask extension into our extensions folder. And if we pin it, we can have easy access now on our browser. And this is nice because it allows us access to MetaMask right here, where we can put in our password that we initially set up in the beginning. We can see here we have 0 ETH in the account, but we have full access to it now. We don't have to go to the actual MetaMask webpage. We can just go ahead and click this nice fox up here in the corner and it'll load. And finally, if you ever need to see the full address for your account, you can go ahead and click account details and the full Ethereum address will be right here. You can also click this pencil at the top here to edit it, and we'll give this a name of the Trident test account and confirm it. And just like that, we've created a brand new MetaMask wallet. We've made sure to write down and record our seed phrase, and we're going to save that in a safe location. We've written down our address so that we have that for safekeeping. And now we're ready to actually set up our MetaMask for the Polygon mainnet, which will be in the next video. So that wraps up our video on how to actually set up and initialize our MetaMask wallet. The next video will show us how to actually add the Polygon mainnet so that we can begin to fund our wallet and trade on Enzyme Finance. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out below in the comment section or contact us on our Discord server. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching.